Hi, good afternoon. I'm doing a product review for Nude Cosmetics. It's a Korean company. The product is actually called Nude Kos. And here's a little bottle. I'm doing it for anti-wrinkle and whitening cream. You might be wondering why I'm doing anti-wrinkle and whitening. I'll tell you a bit about myself. I'm in my 30s, early 30s I'd like to say, and I've spent a lot of time in the sun, so I can see some lines forming around the frown lines and the laugh lines and the crow's feet, and obviously any dermatologist or cosmetician is going to recommend that you start in your 30s. It's a preventative measure and also for some repair. So I'm using the anti-wrinkle cream and the whitening cream. To be honest, I'm not too fussed about the whitening because I'm a tanner and I like to tan, and I've spent so much time in the sun, and I guess that accounts for half of the lines on my face. In general, my skin is dry. I'm from Canada, born in Canada, and in Canada we have to use super hydrating, anything that has a heap of moisture, because in the wintertime it's really dry. And also now being in Korea, because of the weather change, I find that my skin gets drier, the lines come out more. So typically for a cream I need anti-aging or firming, something to address the wrinkle issue and the aging issue, and also super moisture. That's a little bit about my skin. Well, I can tell you I've been using this product now since about Friday. It's good. It smells good. The scent is pretty typical. It's a typical cosmetic scent. It's nothing, I guess it's nothing that is so unique and remarkable, but it's pleasant, and again, you put it on and you do kind of smell nice. The color, it looks like a typical face cream. It's a bit on the white side. The texture I'm not thrilled with, though, I must say. The texture is a bit thick compared to what I'm used to, almost like a mask or a mud, a molding mud, the kind that you use, or a paste for your hair. So usually I like finer texture and creamier kind of lotion type feel. But overall it goes on good. It's thick. It reminds me of a product I used to use before, which was a cold cream. A protective cold cream for super moisture. On that side, I'm very pleased, because I can imagine if I wasn't using this, my face would be chafing and chapped right now because of the weather change. For the results, it's a little early to tell because I've only been using it for about 5 days. I can say that it goes on well, and my makeup sits well with the makeup that I put on. I use the serum and I use the eye cream. So first I put on the eye cream, and in comparison to other eye creams, it's not as refreshing, but I find that it does soothe the eye area, which is good. And as I said again, it's difficult to say as for anti-aging or whitening results in 1 week. The serum is also helpful. It's refreshing, which is good, and it also lets your moisturizer sink in and absorb better. Overall, I would rate it a 4, maybe a 4 out of 5. To get a 5 out of 5, it would have to be such a stellar product, and I'm not sure if I've ever found anything that was that great yet. I mean, a 5 out of 5 would mean that I woke up and all my lines were gone, but that's a magic wand, I guess. If you do try the product, I'm pretty sure you'd be satisfied with it. It does the job in providing moisture, and so far it seems to be doing the job in keeping my skin looking fresh and clean. Thanks.